Extraordinary experiences are at every turn in Beachwalk, a resort lifestyle community centered around a 14-acre sparkling crystal lagoon and sugary sand beaches. Conveniently located off of Highway 210 between I-95 and US 1, Beachwalk hosts a ton of resort amenities. Beachwalk provides exclusivity with its members-only beach club. Sandy Beach and the Lagoon offer resort conveniences like restrooms and showers, and lifeguards to keep you and your family safe. Whether relaxing and enjoying the sounds of the waves, kayaking in the crystal blue lagoon, a fire on the beach, or take a plunge down one of our dual 40-foot water slides. Whichever one you choose, go ahead and swim on over to our 3,000 square foot swim-up bar. Enjoy a taste of paradise while relaxing to the sound of waves reaching the sugary sand shoreline. Beachwalk's exclusive restaurant offers waterfront dining, making it the perfect place to enjoy delicious meals and make new memories with friends and family. Coming soon to Beachwalk is a 175,000 square foot retail village, combining waterfront shopping, dining, and entertainment. The 24-hour fitness center includes a yoga or aerobics studio, and a place for you to keep your belongings. Take a shower, let the kids hang out while you get your workout on. Brush up on your putting at the TPC, aka Tiny Putting Course. And whether you're an avid tennis player or prefer to play at leisure, Beachwalk is home to professional-grade hard true courts. And Beachwalk did not forget about your furry friend at Laguna Dog Splash Park. With all of its resort amenities, grade A new schools, and close access to I-95, Beachwalk is truly the resort you live in.